Hi guys! Today we are going to practice identifying the letters in your name, and we're going to read them, we're going to say them, and we're going to learn them. So we have 5 different ways that we can practice reading the letters in our name. I'm going to go through how you do each one. I'm going to do it with my daughter Sophia's name, and then you're going to do it with your name when we're done. So the first way that we can spell the letters in our name is by clapping and saying the letter. So for each letter, I'm going to clap and say the letter. So I'm going to do it with the name Sophia. I want you to watch and listen. S-O-P-H-I-A. I can go faster. S-O-P-H-I-A. Do you think you can go super fast? Now, if you do super fast, you can't skip any letters. S-O-P-H-I-A. Okay, so the next way that we can practice our name is funny talk. So what I like to do is I like to squeeze my nose and talk, and it kind of makes it that nasally sound. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to spell out the letters in the name Sophia. S-O-P-H-I-A. Whew, Sophia. Let's try it one more time. S-O-P-H-I-A. That is pretty funny, isn't it? Gives you a little runny nose. Okay. The third way that we can practice spelling our name is doing our grandpa, which is our deep voice. You can even do Grandpa Shark if you want. So here I go. S-O-P-H-I-A. Okay. Number 4 is squeaky talk the letters. So we can use our mouse voice to squeak our name. S-O-P-H-I-A. Kind of sounds like the balloons, the helium. And number 5, we're going to whisper the letters. So come in close so you can hear. S-O-P-H-I-A. Sophia. All right, now that you guys know how to do it, it's your turn to practice all 5 of these ways spelling your name.